Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the new C54 from WPL. So when you order from the official store of WPL, everything is really well packaged. As you can see, this box, no damage at all on it. So let's get it out. So inside the box, there's a C54 shell just here, and another layer of bubble wrap. No damage on there at all. There's the new V4 wheels, tyres and foams. So it's a body only kit, so it does fit on the C14 and C24 chassis. I'm going to be putting mine on a C24 KM chassis with the all metal axles. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So here's everything that you get in the box. So we'll start with the main thing. Here is the body shell. As you can see, really nice scale detail on there. There's opening bonnet. You get the interior. There's the glass for the shell. Spare wheel, an electronics tray. We've got a bull bar bumper there and the front grille. Roof rack with spotlights, some more piece of interior trim and bumpers. What we've got here, wipers and the steering wheel. Bag of screws to put it all together. Your sticker kit, so your light lenses, and you've got some new springs there for your shocks. I guess it's because of the different weight of the body. So that's all you get in the box. If you wanted the version 4 wheels, tyres and foams, they are an optional extra on the store. I'll put a link to all of this down below. So if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe, and tune in next time for a C54 build video.